In the years that I've been in Berlin, Karsten and I became extremely close. And it became even closer, the way it became crazily close is that I had a nasty mishap in the place I was living at in Wedding. And to cut a long story short, I had a broken ankle and I was trapped up 6 flights of stairs. Karsten came to visit me with my broken ankle. This was 2 years ago, and said, no, you can't stay here like this. So I was then parked at his place for 3 or 4 months. And as a result of that, we made a couple of CDs because he was recording music with his piano player. And I was just trapped there with a broken ankle, like this. And then I recorded these 2 albums, recorded this beautiful Yiddish and German lieder, all these great songs. And in this time we've just been doing more and more together, and it's special. This whole scene, it's in some ways similar to people I play with in Sydney for a long time. People from European backgrounds, Russian and Hungarian and Ukrainian and German and Jewish, everything. It's a similar European thing, and it's very, very familiar and very warm. And what I love is the connection to the real history and the connection to the love of the language and the love of the humour and the chutzpah and it's just real. There's nothing put on about any of it. There's no trying to be anything. It's just absolutely real. It's really special. I love it. And it's a very close, wonderful, warm family connection.